have the pleasure of showing you this beautiful 8K Ramon vacuum packaging machine. It is an ideal size and it has many configurations of the plate control depending on the options that the customer selects. It also has the capability of multiple options of the seal bars. The great thing about this machine is that it has a high lid for products such as chicken and other products of that requires height within the lid. So it's a dome lid. And one of the other things is the wireless seal bar. As you can see, we're going to demonstrate it. Easy to change the seal wire, right? And so easy to change it, replace tape, and very good for quality control. Round edges, easy to clean, so no bacteria will be left within the seal bar compared to other machines that have the seal wire on the seal bar, which makes it hard to replace. It also comes in with the plates, and over here on this particular model, most of it is the same functions. You can have this machine with gas or without, but on the button over here, it controls the air extraction. It's an air extraction button. The LED light will light up when the machine is doing the vacuum. Also, the button over here, it's all automatic. It's not a button, but it's just a display. It'll turn on when the machine is functioning during its cycle. That is a control cooling sealing time, and that LED will turn on while the machine also inserts gas or air, depending on if you want the machine set up for gas. When it's not set up for gas, it's air. Okay, and over here, this is your indicators as well as when the machine is doing the sealing of the bag. And over here, it's how long you want to seal the bag for. So the plastic, that's how long it's going to be sealing it for. And over here, it controls how long you want to vacuum the product. Once you make those simple adjustments, very easy to use machine, then you will have a great time using and operating this machine. I want to show you the inside of the machine, and it's also an amazing machine for the simple fact that it has very minimal parts. Not a lot of parts. It does the job, and it's not complex to change or do any repairs. In this particular model, it is a 220 single phase. So it is bush pump, heavy duty bush pump, and it's an amazing piece of equipment. This is the 8K Ramon model 580 BB. So that's the model. The BB stands for the configuration that the customer selected on our website. So, and it comes with the vacuum bush pump. It is a great machine. So right now I'm just going to quickly show you for the current settings of how it's set up. And it's now time for 5 seconds vacuum, and the seal on the plastic is for 3 seconds. You see it working there. Releases, there's the air. It's excellent machine for small to medium companies. It does a great seal.